Welcome to Greenland Forest YouTube channel. I'm so over the moon today because this is the first of many videos that is going to educate traders on the market analysis and how to be profitable in this world of trading. Now, analysis will be done on forex, cryptos, indices, metals, stocks when they need be, but more of the time is going to be forex because that's what I pay more attention to. So enough of the sweet talk, let's get down to business. Now today we'll be looking at the British pound Canadian dollar, known as also as Gbpcad. So we have a nice price action that I would like to look at. So to start off, we'll go and check on our monthly and see what price action has for us. Now the thing is, you look for direction from your higher time frames like the monthly, the weekly, and the daily, and then you look for entries on your lower time frames like the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So that is what we are doing now. We are trying to determine the direction of the market from the higher time frame. So on the monthly, we can see that Gbpcad, it is ranging. So with ranging markets, there is a common resistance and there is a common support. So right now on the monthly, we can see that price is testing the common support right here, this very area. So, and there has been a rejection already, so we expect technically the for this market to go up from this area. So on the weekly too, we can see the same thing about Gbpcad here too. It is testing an area of support, this place right here, and historically to an area of support as well here. So, and there's also already been a rejection from the area of support. So technically on the weekly too, we expect an upward market. Now on the daily, let's try zooming out and see if it is testing a particular support on the daily as well. Okay, so on the daily we can see that price is testing a support as well on the daily, and there has been a very bullish momentum candlestick being formed on the daily time frame as well, which shows that prices, poised to go up from this area of support right here. Now let's go on our 4 hour time frame. Okay, so before we go on our time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, let's look at the commitment of trader, that is the COT data. It also helps us on the direction of the market. So if you know nothing about the if you don't know anything about the COT data shows the position of the hedge funds, the big players in the trading community. It shows their positions on various financial instruments. So we'd like to look at the strength of both the GBP and the Canadian dollar and see how this is going to pan out. So we use the COT data together with higher time frame analysis to determine the direction of the market and then the entries on the 4 hour or the 1 hour. So let's get right into the COT data and see what's happening over there as well. So this is for Canadian dollar right here. So we can see that the net position for the Canadian dollar is 20.8k, and then we can see that the change in short, or there has been an addition of shorts, which is 5,069, and then there has been an addition of longs as well, which is 4,724. So considering the net position, we can say that the card is quite strong, and although the short being added is greater than the longs being added, we can still see that it is bullish for the card. It is still in the positive side. So now let's go and check on the GBP and see what the strength of GBP is also as well. Now considering GBP, we can see that it currently has minus 69.6k net position, which is very, 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 very not promising for the GBP. And we can see that the change in short, there has been an addition of 14,332 shorts, and then an addition of 3,625. We can see that there has been so much addition of the sales on GBP, so we can see that GBP is really weak. And then the net position also is and the net position also is not good for GBP as well, considering minus 69.6 to 20.8k for the CAD. We can see that the CAD is really stronger than the GBP. So this is how it's going to be. So now let's go to our 4-hour time frame and then try incorporating both analysis, the core data and the higher time frame analysis together, and see what is likely to happen in the market. So now technical analysis of the higher time frames showed that price is poised for an upward, but the Canadian dollar too is greater than the GBP as at the moment. But then my guess is, let's try identifying the area of support and resistance on this in this market, you know. So this is an area of resistance right here. This one too is an area of resistance. This could be one. This could be one. So enough of the identification. But then what I'm trying to put across here is that my guess is since price is at a proven support, and there has been signs already that it is poised for the upwards, my guess is the price might buy up. Price is going to buy up, and then maybe when it comes across one of these resistances, it is going to sell again, because the cost data for it doesn't also look good. So this is the prediction. But then in the world of trading, we all don't know what is going to happen, so we are going to monitor what price does at these levels, at these resistance levels, and see if it is going to hold or not. Eventually too, price can also find support at these resistance levels and even buy up higher. But then considering the COT data, price is going to buy up and then probably reverse when it comes across an area of resistance in the market. But then that's not the case. That is not certain. It can also find support at any area of resistance at all in the market and even buy up more. So what we are going to do is that we are going to wait and see how price reacts at these levels, and then you can therefore from there take our entries and see how best it does. So guys, that is basically all for Gbpcad. We hope that when the market resumes, we'll keep an eye on it and see how it is going to behave. So if you like this, kindly subscribe, comment, like, and then share, and also stay tuned with us as we have started this awesome journey in the world of trading. Thank you very much. Bye.